Okay, so I don't know what the lighting is going to be like, but we're going to go with it. Ignore the absolutely battered slow cooker. I do need a new one. However, I'm going to do 2 meals with 2 meats, using both meats, both meals. First thing we're going to do a pulled gammon and roast chicken dinner. So first thing we're going to get this on the slow cooker overnight. Nice and easy to do that. I'm going to apologise, but that's going to go on low. It's now close to 9 o'clock. It's just going to go on for about 18 hours, but that's fine. So to that, I'm not actually going to add much, but I am going to put some boiled water, just about cover it, which that's fine because it's going to slow cook anyway. But to that pan, I'm going to add 2 chicken stock pots. These are the OXO ones. They work perfectly well. You could make your own stock if you wanted to. I ain't got no time for that. So there we go. That's there. That can now be left for 24 hours if you wished. But come back to that tomorrow. That's that job done. So I must admit, I missed an opportunity then to say pulling my meat. So here we go. I'm going to pull my meat. Okay. So it's a little bit tougher than it should be because, like a fool, it was had to be rush cooked. There we go. It's coming away now. That's just where it's caught in the pan. That's fine as well. And I'm going to keep pulling away. Okay. There we go. It's coming out now. It's just it is a little bit under in terms of slow cooks because of how I had to cook it. So because I've had it on a high heat, it hasn't had that time really to slow cook, but it's there. Okay, we can see the parts. So there we go. Really, I'm going to keep pulling this. Okay, and then come back to you in a minute. And there you go. I mean, not much to look at right now, but it is fantastic. For me, it's going to go on a roast dinner and in a pie. So there is our delicious, easy, slightly underdone because I messed up, but our delicious, beautiful pulled gammon. Okay, there you go. Whatever's on your plates, of course, as usual, do enjoy what you eat and eat what you enjoy. And of course, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. What's on your plates? As usual, don't forget, wherever or whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the links to the right to see some more of my beautiful, delicious recipes. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. And last but not least, comment below what's on your plates.